What's up guys, it is Casey from Casey's Customs. Today I'm going to try and make some parts for the turbo build I'm doing, and I'm going to try and use the Blue Demon aluminum weld rods, aluminum brazing rods. Basically what they are is it's a low heat aluminum weld or braze, whatever you want to call it. You can do it with just like a normal handheld torch. It has really good tensile strength. You can basically just ruin the piece of aluminum and the joint will still hold just fine. But I've never really used it for anything on an actual car. So today I have to make a fuel pump blocking plate because I have an electric fuel pump now, not a mechanic pump. I'm going to make it out of aluminum because the line that I have that's going to go down into this fuel pump hole is an aluminum AN fitting, you know, for stainless steel braided line. I got some plate aluminum. I'm gonna try and weld it up and then see if I can weld a fitting to the plate, and then that'll block it off and use what I need. The only problem is, like I said, I've used this stuff plenty of times. I've never used it on something as thick as an AN fitting. This is basically just a solid chunk of aluminum that they've put threads in and a hole. So it's gonna be a pretty thick piece, and I don't know how it's going to work out yet, so we're going to kind of experiment a little bit, but I think it'll work out fine, and I actually think it'll be completely watertight, leak proof. But we're going to do some experiment and find out. So let's get some tools out and see what the hell it is. I pressure tested it just with my air hose to see if I could feel any holes coming around. I can't. I also did like a little janky suction test and I got nothing leaking from it, so I think it's going to work out perfectly. Also, it doesn't even really need to be pressurized because this is just going to be my oil drain. It's kind of cool rather that, that is completely welded / braze, whatever you want to call it, with that aluminum welding brazing rod. Well, as you can see, it ended up working out great. I was confident with how well it welds, braids, whatever you want to call it. I call it a weld. I know people will roast me in the comments, but I know it was good enough of a weld to hold it. I just didn't know if it was going to be like pressurized or if the piece was going to be too, because it's such a thick piece, I didn't know if it would weld to such a thin piece, blah, blah. There were just some variables I hadn't tried before. Worked out great. I've already kind of run a little bit of testing on it. It's holding up fine. It's leak proof, it's air proof, yada, yada, yada. So I'm more than happy with it. So I think for stuff like this, if anybody wanted to try it, I think you're set. It's working great for me, and I didn't have to go borrow a buddy's welder or take it to a machine shop and have them weld up, a little piece of aluminum that would take about 30 seconds to weld. So it's nice to not have to run around and do that when I can just, heat it up with a little handheld torch and do it myself. Also, I'm sure I've said it before, but I did get those from Blue Demon Welding. They're pretty cool guys. They always help me out. So everything I've ever got from them has always been super high quality, and I haven't had any problems with it. And so I always try and, shout them out as much as I can because, like I said, the stuff's good. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out some more of my other videos.